Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a subtractive approach is in music production and how it relates to the music we make. In music production, we often think about adding more tracks, more effects, and more complexity. But what if I told you that sometimes the key to a great track is not what you add, but it's what you remove? This is where the subtractive approach comes in. It's all about starting with many elements in your tracks and then selectively removing parts to enhance the overall sound. Think of it like sculpting. You begin with a block of marble, that's your track with all its elements. The art is chiseling away the excess, revealing a refined and impactful piece of music. Let's break that down. Here's before the subtractive approach. Now let's listen to the same track after the subtraction. Hear the difference? It's cleaner and more cohesive, and each element stands out. Subtractive production isn't about minimalism for its own sake. It's about making each element in your track count by removing what's not essential. The subtractive approach challenges us to think critically about our productions. It encourages us to ask, does this effect, sample, add value? Or is it essential to the feel of the song I'm trying to create? Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.